I don't even talk about the scat no more, bro. This is my first POV. Go ahead and see how they go. I'm gonna start taking out the comments too, on God. Get this little quick code start real quick. Let me see what it's talking about. Let's see what it sound like. Ignore the tag. Let's see what it sound like. Get close to it. That boy said down. Open that. Ooh. Y'all know we a little dirty. On God, got the oranges on dick. The work shirt on God. Come on, let's go. Power this bitch. Oh. How the fuck? I turn my shit on. There you go. No, 2022. No. How the fuck? I ain't even put this bitch in valet mode. Damn. See, that's how my shit get stolen. I'm not doing that shit no more. That shit dead. This shit though. Let me see if I can. Cause I ain't never did no shit like this before. Like, this finna be some new shit. Oh God, driving, one hand, and I gotta keep this bitch on the steering wheel. Then I also gotta get a good fucking angle. Let me stop the language because it's kids watching. Let the sunroof up too. Damn, not all the way. Just open it, just crack. Yeah, like that. Alright, come on, let's go. I'm gonna roll the window down too so y'all can hear that shit. Show you how loud this bitch really is. Oh damn, I forgot to mention this bitch is 100% straight pipe. No cats, no mid pipes, no mufflers, no none of that. All the way straight pipe. Nah, I used to have the Mustang GT. That bitch straight pipe too. It's loud and all. Like the Mustang was loud and all, but this right here, yeah, this bitch quiet as hell. Compared to that Mustang, it be quiet. But when you step on it, y'all finna see. Y'all finna see how loud this bitch get. Put the hoe in custom mode. Yes sir, all track. I ain't gotta be too cautious about my neighbors because this bitch ain't that loud. Like it's normal. When you step on it, that hoe wake the fuck up. Oh yeah, damn. If you know anybody in a 205 area that can get rid of a damn CEL light for my cats, please let me know. I need my shit tuned out. And I want to take my rev limit off so I can rev it at commutes and shit. Cause this shit is wet. Like this stop at like 4,000. Damn, that second gear pull. What the? That first gear finna be ridiculous. I'm put it back in. Automatic. There you go. I really hope the police not on my left this time. I really hope they not on my left this time. Fuck. Yeah, flying. Get it out the hole. I really hope the police. You know, I'm not even gonna hit it till the police go past. Damn, what's the speed limit? So I'm gonna do 40 just in case the police right there. And they are not right there. Hold on. Let me wait. Let me check. Let's go. Let's go. Shit, I told you. Oh, that shit loud as fuck, my dude. Oh. And that bit pop. Oh. Feels like I got a tune on my shit. Nope, no tune, no nothing. I need to get an intake and a catch can ASAP. And I really hope it ain't no wind noise getting in this audio. That shit gonna sound like straight ass, straight boo boo. It's not even that early either, so I'm good. Yeah, 10:33, we good. Probably can't even hear me talking right now. I'm just talking just to talk. Fuck. I ain't even gave it nothing yet. I ain't even really stepped on it yet. Yo, I love this shit, bro. I love this shit, bro. I love the fuck out this hoe. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. That shit is so fucking loud, bro. I'm turning right out this hoe. Ugh. Let me stop. Oh my god, yo, oh my, yo. I really hope don't no police get behind me. I cannot do no running today. Not today. I'm not feeling it. Shit, man. I know this bump got dips and shit. If I hit one of these hoes going 40 miles an hour, this shit gonna take my whole front split off. I wish I... Is that the police? Shit, I don't know. But I'm about to go. Oh, now we in a... Oh. I just hope don't no fucking deer jump out this bitch. Shit. My dude. We sound like a Hellcat at the hoe. This just a 392. Oh my good. Oh my god. Oh my. They had a fucking bird on it car. Oh my god. Bro. And these new Michelins are hooking like fuck. My shit is not spinning no more. Cheap ass Pirellis that they bought. Like when I first ordered the car, them bitches was spinning everywhere. Like everywhere I went. That's probably because I lowered the car, so the tires angled like fuck. But still though, oh my, yo, these missions are way better than a Pirelli. These jumps just quick, just real quick. I hear something whistling out this. What the fuck? I ain't even finna question it. It is what it is. Y'all go check out the last video. Versus the straight pipe Mustang on the same road. The straight pipe Mustang versus the Charger wide body. Let's see what this shit. Do comparisons on that shit. See what that shit say. Comment on that shit. I want to hear y'all thoughts on it. For real. I'm not even, oh my god. Yo, then that shit got bumpy as hell. That bitch pop like fuck. Not a lot of people know how to make that shit do it. That shit doing it from stock like factory, no tune. So now I gotta fucking doing the same little U-turn. Bumpy ass. Oh yeah, H&R springs by the way. H&R springs and it's in track mode, so that's why it's so damn bumpy. I'm try to get back on this road real quick. Put the bitch in first gear. I'm not gonna spin it. Twist that hoe. Yes, bro. Bro, in the Michelin, in the Pirellis, bro, I would have spun up the whole block. My tires would have smoked. Now that I got these Michelins, bro, I didn't spin not once, bro. And my shit, my fucking traction is off. What the fuck? I love these tires, bro. I love it, bro. Michelin is the one, bro. Michelin is the way to go, bro. Oh my god. Bro, Michelin is the way to go. Oh god. Now I need to, let me stop this shit, cut this shit short because my fucking gas, that shit drink like water. call. I'm just waiting on that one police call. That was kind of soft. That was kind of doable. That bit was kind of soft. I only did that because the bowl bumpy as hell on that particular side. That's why I don't like Birmingham for real. They got the shittiest roads out here. So I got to go slow as fuck around this corner because I know it's like a dip. It should be somewhere up here. I don't know exactly where it's at because I don't be down here for real. Damn, my shit shaking hard. Oh shit. Ah, I saved it. Oh, I saved it. And I think it's another one. Watch the last video and let me know if this bitch sound way better than the Mustang or not. See if they go out there. You gotta watch me record now. This is odd. Just fucking odd. No, spin. Don't lose traction, bro. Don't lose traction, bro. If you gonna get some new tires, bro, which you will need them once you get done with them Pirellis, go get you some Michelin's, bro. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, whatever they call it. Cause them bitches go hard. But I would go right. But I think I'm gonna go left. I'm gonna go the long way, give me some action. A little bit more action before I'm back at the house. Oh my fucking, oh. Damn, this shit is a adrenaline rush every time. Uh-oh, that be green. Yes, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This damn scat been losing to everybody, bro. But now I got these tires, bro. I rightfully feel like I can take some. I feel like I can whoop some ass now, cause this bitch snatching hard as hell. I don't know what it is. Well, shit, I do know what it is. Some damn tires. This bitch feels so much better, bro. I should did a video on the Pirellis. I mean, on the Michelin's. I ain't gonna lie, one thing the Mustang got on this damn Charger though, is that damn downshift. The downshift is crazy as hell. Damn, that shit just threw me in the seat. That shit was unexpected as fuck. Unexpected. I'm in traffic and shit, but I'm not finna go around there. You know, I'm a calm, cool, collective dude. I ain't gonna terrorize me. The bumpy. The tree, what the? Get that shit out the road, fam. And a fucking log. I almost hit that hole. Damn, I ain't gonna turn in front of me. Fuck that. I'm finna go around there. Nah. Sight. Sight. stopped at that stop sign, by the way. Just in case y'all didn't know. I stopped at that stop sign. Damn, y'all couldn't even see now. I'm all the way down here. I'm gonna put that out too. Oh shit, we went sideways that time. We went sideways that time. I'm not doing that shit again. I got spacers on. I cannot be going sideways, or my wheel might pop off, and I don't want that. Downshift going down the hill. Alright, yeah, let me stop before they really call the police, because that shit was loud as hell. Little dip in the motherfucking driveway. Gotta come down super duper slow. Shit, man, adrenaline, what the fuck? Yo, I'm fucked up, bro. That shit felt good as hell. Shit, I don't even know how to go away. Y'all see me, like, subscribe. Y'all already know how it is. Shit, yeah, well, that's it. Bye-bye. Adios.